The Funhang Electric Bike is positioned as a practical and budget-friendly electric bicycle option for riders who are looking for an easier and more convenient way to travel without relying completely on traditional cycling. It is designed to combine the experience of normal cycling with the added benefit of electric assistance, making it suitable for daily commuting, neighborhood rides, recreational cycling, and short-distance transportation. For many users, an electric bike like Funhang can provide a comfortable alternative to cars or public transportation, especially for situations where riders want to save time, reduce physical effort, and enjoy a more flexible travel option. The overall appeal of the Funhang Electric Bike comes from its focus on accessibility, convenience, and providing useful features at a more affordable price point compared with many premium electric bike brands. One of the noticeable advantages of the Funhang Electric Bike is the additional support provided by its electric motor system. Electric assistance can make cycling easier, especially when dealing with slopes, longer routes, or situations where riders may not want to put in maximum physical effort. This makes the bike appealing to beginners, casual riders, and commuters who want a smoother riding experience. The availability of different riding modes on many electric bikes allows users to choose between using more electric power or combining motor assistance with traditional pedaling. This flexibility can help riders manage battery usage while also controlling how much effort they want to put into each ride. The design of the Funhang Electric Bike focuses on everyday usability rather than extreme performance. Its frame style and riding position are generally intended to provide comfort during regular trips, allowing riders to enjoy longer sessions without feeling overly uncomfortable. Features such as a rechargeable battery, electric motor support, and practical accessories can make daily use more convenient. For people who use an e-bike for activities like going to work, shopping, visiting nearby places, or enjoying outdoor rides, having a reliable and easy-to-use design can be a major advantage. The bike's straightforward operation may also appeal to people who are purchasing their first electric bicycle and want something simple to understand. Another positive aspect of the Funhang Electric Bike is its focus on affordability. Electric bikes can sometimes be expensive, especially models with advanced technology and premium components. Funhang attempts to provide a more accessible option for customers who want to experience the benefits of an e-bike without making a very large investment. For riders who mainly need an electric bike for casual use, city riding, and moderate distances, a budget-focused model can offer good value. It can provide the basic advantages of electric transportation while keeping the overall cost more manageable.